Analyze the chemical characteristics of the reference compound. Carbon tetrachloride, CCl4, is a nonpolar, covalent molecule consisting of a central carbon atom, group 14, bonded to 4 chlorine atoms, group 17, halogens, in a symmetrical tetrahedral geometry. Its non-flammability and fire-resistant nature stem from the highly stable carbon-halogen bonds and the lack of weak bonds, like CH, that can be readily oxidized by oxygen. Apply the concept of periodic groups and chemical similarity. Elements in the same group of the periodic table share the same number of valence electrons and exhibit highly similar chemical reactivity and bonding behaviors. To find a compound with properties most similar to CCl4, we should look for a molecule that maintains a central group 14 atom bonded to 4 group 17 halogen atoms, XY4. Compare the options to the target molecular profile. CBr4, carbon tetrabromide, features a central carbon atom, group 14, bonded to 4 bromine atoms. Since bromine is directly below chlorine in group 17, it shares a nearly identical valence electron configuration and forms a similarly nonpolar, symmetrical tetrahedral molecular structure. Consequently, CBr4 has periodic properties and chemical characteristics that are extremely similar to those of CCl4, making it the most likely candidate to be used as a fire-resistant chemical. Conclude, option C is the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, CBr4.